Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a Myntra kurta set haul. So in these recent days, I've been loving wearing kurta set. Those are really comfortable. I love wearing, a cotton material, and cotton fabric is really good to wear, and it feels really comfortable. So these days I've been loving wearing kurta set, so I thought let's give it a try. So I bought like 4 kurta sets from Myntra, and all are super affordable, super comfortable. So I'll be showing you right in this video, so keep on watching this video till the end. So first one we have is from the brand Sangria, and this is what it looks. It's a beautiful green and a pink kurta set. So this is what it looks. I really love this kurta and this material. So this is what it looks. So it has this mirror work right in front of the kurta, and you get this sort of sleeves. These are basically sleeves still here, so it's really comfortable in the summer. Also in winter it's really good to wear. And you have this beautiful design right over here. So this is what it looks. This is a beautiful cotton kurta. It's a long cotton kurta. So this don't have any slits right here. So it's basically sort of anarkali kurta. So this is what it looks. It's a beautiful kurta, and this costed me only rupees 1200. So with this you will get a cotton pants, which are basically again a cotton material as well. So yeah, this is what the pants looks like. And right in front of this pant you have this elastic waistband with this thread, so you can adjust yourself. So yeah, this is what it pants look like. So there is no design even down at the bottom of the pants. So these are basically the cotton pants, which are plain enough, so there is no design and all. So yeah, the next set we have is from the brand Anug. Anug is my most favorite brand. So this is what it looks. It's a yellow and white cotton kurta set. Again, it's a kurta set. So this haul is all about kurta set. The entire haul is a kurta set. So you will get, a palazzo with a kurta. So if you're a college going girl or, working woman, you just don't want to waste much time in thinking which palazzo will go with the kurta. So kurta set is the best option for the one who don't have much time in your hands. So this is what it looks. So this is the yellow and white kurta set from the brand Anuk. So it has this white piping right here. So it's basically a round neck kurta with 3/4 sleeves. Again, you have this piping right here. So it has a very beautiful and a unique design. I love how sober the print is. It's a beautiful print all over this. And right in front of this kurta you have this button, so you can open this. So you have 4 buttons and all. So this is a knee length kurta with a side slit. If you love wearing side slit, it's a comfortable thing to wear. So this is what the kurta is. With this you get a palazzo pant. So this is what it looks. So again, it's in the size large. So yeah, this is what the pants are. There is no threads and all to adjust. You just have like both side a good elastic waistband. So it's basically a stripe pants. It's a comfortable white pants, and this costed me 990. So somewhere between 1000 and for 1000 rupees a kurta set is the best thing to buy. So absolutely give this a try. And the third one we have is again a kurta set from the brand Uris, and this is what it looks. It's a beautiful pink and off-white kurta set. So it's basically a bandhani kurta set, and this is what it looks. It's a beautiful pink, white and a yellow combination, and this is what the sleeves look like. And it's a very beautiful kurta. So it's basically like an anarkali, and you have this pleated sort of thing right in front of this. So it gives you that a pleated waves. So this is what the kurti is, and this costed me around 1200 rupees, and this is in the size large. It's a beautiful pink and off-white bandhani kurta. You can wear this for any occasion. Just pair with a beautiful heels and earrings, you're good to go. Again, with this kurta you get this Same pant. These are a very broad in the pant. The pants are very broad, so these are really comfortable to wear for any occasion. And same, this has elastic waistband. So I really love this material. It's not pure cotton, I would say. It's a mix of rayon and a cotton material, but I just love this material and the look it is. So it's a very good fabric with a very good elastic. I will be giving the links in the description box. If you want to buy this, make sure you check the description box. And the last one we have is from the brand Gerua. Again, Gerua is a really good brand. You get very good fabric, and Gerua has such a good fitting, and also I love the fitting from the brand Gerua. So this is a blue printed kurta, so it has a mandarin collar. So all the other which I shown you before isn't a mandarin collar, so I just wanted to give a try for this sort of mandarin collar. I'm not a big fan of mandarin collar, but I just wanted to give this a try. So again, it's from a brand Gerua. It's a very beautiful material. It's a very soft material. So you have this sort of piping right here and a beautiful design in the hands. So the mandarin collar has a very beautiful pear sort of design and embroidery. I love it. So it's a beautiful long kurta. It's a beautiful long kurta. You can wear this for any occasion, for a marriage and all. Also for any lunch and dinner, you can wear this. It's a beautiful kurta, and this costed me around rupees 1300. And with this, again, you get a basic pants. So this is what the pants look like, and it has this sort of a design right here, and I can also see it has a pockets here to put your phone and all. So it's a very good thing. For working women, it's a beautiful kurta. It has again a white pants. White pants are really comfortable to wear. So yeah, this is what it looks. I absolutely love this. I will be giving the link in the description box. If you want to buy, make sure you check that. So these are pretty much the kurta set, and I love this kurta set. These are really comfortable and the fitting is really good. And I hope you guys love this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.